morning. I wish to Dr. Mazlina Mazhar and my fellow friend. Today, our group want to present this chapter 4, which is the internet and the theories. My name is Ahmad Faiz bin Muhammad Yusof.
Hello, Assalamualaikum, my lecturer and group members. My topic now is evolution of the internet and tourism. So I will present to you what is the evolution of the internet. So in the beginning of the internet, used appear in the late 1950. The evolution of development of the internet began as early as the 60s era, and it continues to grow through continuous research by several countries. So evolved international collaboration, particularly with researchers in the United Kingdom and France. So we get reference source obtained International Telecommunication Union 2018. In the development of the internet has undergone a very significant revolution starting in 1990 with the use of the World Wide Web (WWW) standard, where this website is used throughout the country with an internet network. Uniform Resource Locator (URL) link, top level domain, example .com, .gov, .edu, country domain, example .my.uk.cn, that can be accessed in search of information and exchange information. Starting after that, all users can apply the internet approach to all human activities such as business, corporate, digital advertising, education institution, and government. Evolution of the internet from the year of 2000, traditional communication media such as telephone, radio, letters, and newspaper were no longer relevant. World change, technology change, and people must change following the time according to the current situation. The benefit of the internet have a very good impact with the existence of new services such as email, internet telephone, internet television, online music, digital newspaper, and video streaming websites. Newspaper, book, and others print publication are adapted to website technology or reshaped into blog, web feed, and online news aggregator. The internet has accelerated new form of personal corporate institution government interaction through instant messaging, internet forum, and social network. Online shopping is growing consistently as it allows companies to expand their brick and mortar presence to cater to larger market of event sell goods. Holiday package, travel and traveler can find out any info with the country they visit, and all the service entirely online. Service in the business sector, tourism sector, government sector, economic sector, and financial institution can be accessed through internet access. Meet the entire the supply chain throughout the industry be able to generate revenue. Surely that will be good impact to both of industry and government. And now, as we can see, the growth of the internet penetration by the year. In the 1969, the evolution of internet begins with connecting two computers together is ARPANET, and then moved toward creating by the World Wide Web by connecting large number of computers together. Mobile internet emerged when mobile devices were connected to the internet. And entering the 1990s, there are several websites that are often used, such as Yahoo, Java, eBay, that play a role as platform to find information, digital reading, and online selling and buying activities. Since the internet has undergone a drastic change, growing rapidly, starting in 2000 year and above, we can see people have changed the trend to the use of the internet as a whole in human life. All activity, official business, banking, advertising, or whatever or benefit internet as an approach, it has caused the existence of several more digital media platform, social media in line with the industry revolution 4.0 that is heading toward the world of technology. Social media such as Facebook, MySpace, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, official websites such as MyBank to You, CMB Click, AirAsia, Mass Airline, government and corporate business that can be achieved online, and many benefit of the internet nowadays benefit people. And my second topic is definition of internet. What is definition of internet? In general, definition of internet is a global communication network that allow almost all computers worldwide able connect and exchange information. The system of interconnected computer network that use the internet protocol suite, which stand for transmission control protocol and internet protocol, a set of standards for transmitting and receiving digital data to communicate between network and device over the world. It is a network of network that consists of private, public, academic, business, and government network of local to global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless, and optical networking technologies. The internet carries a vast range of information resource and service such as the interlinked hypertext document and application of the World Wide Web, electronic mail, telephony, and file sharing.
Before I explain more about extranet and intranet, I will I will explain the internet. Internet can also serve as a backbone for private communication, within communication, and between an organization and its related external stakeholders. The communication occurs through the extranet and intranet. Okay, we move to this is the example uh, which is the related between internet, extranet, and intranet. Okay, I will continue my presentation with extranet. Extranet is used transmission control protocol to share property information. It can be used for tasks such as training, employee training, collaboration on project, and corporate information. Extranet can authorize users only can access the information, for example, servers and database. For intranet is can access and collaboration and collection data, communication with others. It use internet protocols and also easy to collaborate with other organization. Users must log in into the Square website, for example, suppliers, stakeholders.
Isadri. So today I will continue with chapter 4 that my point is WW standard. So in WW standard they have 3 points, that is firstly is domain, secondly is protocol, and thirdly is programming language. So I will explain for the first one is domain. So domain is refer to uniform resources locator URL, and in domain have top level domain, for example is .com and also .gov, and also have country domain, for example is UK and also .cn. So for the second one is protocol. which means a protocol is a set of rules governing this format of data sent over the internet or other network. So for the next one is programming language. What is programming language? Programming language, for example, is HTML, XML, Java, and so on. So for example, is Java. It's the common one that student and other worker using for programming language. So for the next slide is I will explain for top level domain names. Firstly is .edu. .edu is referred for educational institution. Secondly is .com. It's referred for commercial institution. So for the next one is .org. It's for organization. For the fourth one is .net. It's for network organization. For the fifth one is .government. It's for governmental organization. For the sixth one is .mil. It's for military organization. And for the seventh one, it's .travel. It's for travel organization. And for the last one is .au. It's for country domains. In this case, for example, in Australia. So we goes to the protocol ones. The protocol sites. In protocol, they have five. For the first one is TCP or IP. It's referred to Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. For the second one is SMTP. It's referred to Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. For the third one is FTP. It's referred to File Transfer Protocol. For the fourth one is HTTP. It's referred to Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And for the last one is HTTPS. It's referred to Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. So we go to next slide is common language and formats. What is common language and format? So in common language and format, it have six items above common language and format. Firstly is HTML, referred to Hypertext Markup Language. Second one is HML, it's referred to Assemble Markup Language. For the third one is SMIL, it's referred to Synchronized Multimedia Integration Language. And for the fourth one is Java. Java is the common one that always we using in internet and also in laptop. So Java refers to environment for running online application. So MP3 also the famous that we using in handphone, in laptop, and so on. So MP3 is referred to music and audio formats. And lastly is Flash. Flash also we using in laptop. So Flash it's referred to interactive media format developed by Adobe. So they have six in common language and formats. So the common one that we always using is Java, MP3 and also Flash. It's popular one we using when to format from other side to other sites. So that's all in my point. So in WW standard, they have three ideas, 3 points in WW standard, that is in domains, protocol, and also common language and also programming language. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. Okay, right now we explain about the functionality of Tribal website. You guys can open textbook page number 93. You can use this book. I hope you can see this book because I'm not sure lighting good enough for you guys see this. Okay, right now I will explain about this. First, in the functionality of Tribal website. First, they have global information dissemination. This is about travel product and destination can be market over vast distance. For example, potential tourists from all over the world can view video on destination website to learn about their feature. Second is about integration. This website can be linked to other site or database to provide the user with relevant real-time data. For example, customer can access train schedule from a destination management system. The third, mass customization. Organization can tailor their product to meet the specialized need of a traveler. For example, tourists can design their own by their own. And then the number 4 is about interactive communication. For the interactive communication, customer can communicate directly with supplier to ask question and tailor their booking. For example, customer can receive live help through email, text or video chat. The number 5 is about transaction support. Tourists can conduct business and make reservation without human support. For example, tourists can book hotel room directly on the hotel website. The last one, disintermediation. This is about cutting out the travel intermediary and reaching customer more directly. For example, AirAsia can sell flight directly to tourists without a travel agent or tour operator involved. Okay, we will go to the next slide. I will explain about the type of e-commerce. First, business to consumer, B2C. For example, a traveler purchase a flight on AirAsia website. Number 2, business to business, B2B. Okay, a tour operator purchase a block of room from a hotel using the internet. Number 3, consumer to business, C2B. A tourist offer her or his service as an attorney to a hotel where she or he is staying. Number 4, consumer to consumer, C2C. A tourist sells souvenir to another tourist on eBay. Number 5, government to consumer, G2C. A tourist can apply for a passport online. After that, after number 5, C, government to business, G2B. This is about, for example, a museum apply for a building permit to a government agency online. And the last one, government to government, G2G. Two government negotiate a bilateral air service agreement using the internet. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you because you listen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Uzair bin Fauzi, and I'm here to present to you about the typology of travel websites. There is many such thing as travel websites that will be easier for the tourists or clients or people who want to travel to anywhere they want. So we have first one is travel intermediaries. What is travel intermediaries? Travel intermediaries are distribution agents that participate in a tourism product sales process from its creation until the time it is consumed by final clients. The travels websites such as Expedia.com, Kayak.com, and Agoda.com is example of the travel intermediaries that we have in around the world. And then we have travel supplier. What is travel supplier? The travel supplier is entities such as airlines, hotel, transportation, and tour company that provide travel related goods and services. There's many travel websites such as singaporeair.com, ihg.com, and etc. etc. And then we have social media. The social media is a way up to very close to the artificial intelligence process and revolution industry 4.0 that surrounding our world right now. So we have tripadvisor.com, travelport.com, and wikitravel.org. And then we have online travel portals such as virtualtourist.com, and then online travel guides. This was important because it the one way to guide you what you have do and don't at some countries. So you have lonelyplanet.com and fromus.com, and then trip planning. When you want to start to travel, you have to plan. So plan wisely with desti.com and mygola.com. And then for destination search, you can search at travelmalaysia.com and destinationasia.com. This will make you know detail about some country you want to travel. And then the travel website also have participants from government party like tourism.gov.my and motak.gov.my. And then we have NGOs travel websites such as ecotourism.org and tourism.org.uk. This is from local people in our country in any attraction places. Before we move to the part of determinant of SERP rankings, whether or not the keywords are in the URL of that page, the frequency and size of the keywords on a web page, and the keyword in the link anchor text. Though those pieces of text which contain a link, then you can regulate the alternative text for images. And then you have to meta text, keywords in title and description embedded on a web page. This is usual things that we have to do when we want to search for any travel website. And then there's a step about the SERP ranking. For the first one is information search activities and the usefulness of internet tools. You have to benefit the internet search like Google and any part to make sure your travel planning going well. And then we have first planning task and task specificity, and then search queries and search evaluations. You need to evaluate all the search meaning to make sure that you have good places to go. And then overall satisfaction, ease of use, and plan quality and trust. These are the final steps when you have already embodied all the first and second step. So that's all from me.
I will continue my presentation with the element of successful tourism website. First one is planning. Planning is developing a framework for any marketing effort, and also create a strategy is important. Collaborate with others marketing communication channel. IMC is an approach to create a unified and seamless brand experience for consumer across channels. The next is design. The first is navigation and interaction. having addressed the information architecture and the various system of navigation. It is possible to design this aspect in a different ways. Designers often experiment with new technique to create more exciting navigation experience. For those users, designing the aforementioned aspect to be as simple, predictable, and comfortable as possible is important. When designing interaction with any type of navigation menu, we must consider the following six aspects, which is symbols, target areas, interaction, layout, level, and function context. Next is aesthetic and functionally. The first aesthetic is the aesthetic school and supporters are usually designers. The second is functionalist. School and supporters usually include markets and information IT expert. Cross-platform compatibility. The website should render correctly and continue to function in different web browsers. For example, Google Chrome, Windows, and smartphone. Next is the delivery. Reliability, credibility, and accuracy. Trust and expertise is most important for internet users and credible content. Using high quality graphic and proper written expression, ensuring that content is free from spelling and grammatical errors. Personalization is paying attention to the needs of the travelers. The travelers website provide many opportunities. The integration of social media is an effective personalization strategy. The characteristic next is a marketing mix. The characteristic of tourism service make it different, very different. We have four characteristic of tourism service, which is intangibility, perhaps-ability, inseparability, and heterogeneity. Online market efforts have emphasized the value of experience. And the last is the 8 Ps of tourism marketing provide a comprehensive framework for considering the delivery of online travel service.
Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. I'm Muhammad Alif. I'm the last presenter for this group, and I will go to continue for the element of successful tourism website. There is the management. Management have a three important thing. The first one is maintenance, resourcing, and also generate traffic and repeat visitor. Okay, for the maintenance, site maintenance is essential for site to be accurate, competent, and professional. They involve removing outdated information and links, and also they use for the add of new information. For example, content concerning price, product, and event must receive regularly. Okay, for resourcing, organization should evaluate the resource realistically available as it is critical that for ensuring the quality of online customer service. It's very important to ensure that the individual in the organization receive appropriate training to develop skill and knowledge and in dealing with the internet. And for the generate traffic and repeat visitor, the www is a whole technology requiring the organization to develop strategy. Therefore, to attract visitor into using the website. And also, organization should try to attract repeat visitor to the website. The last element is evaluation. Evaluation have a two. The first one usability and the second one utility. For usability, a website is a dynamic and organic medium. They need to be monitored continuously to maintain its usability. This should be done by using both internal and external benchmarking. Internal involve monitoring site metric and analytic to identify performance issue and user need. For the external, they can include comparing the usability and feeder website with that those provided by competitors. And for the utility, this should be supplemented by other business intelligence by including monitoring social media and also actively asking user for their feedback. Okay, next I will go to the marketing mix and travel website. This is the element website we call 8PPS, also known as a marketing mix tourism. The first P is product. Product is clearly present the feature and benefit of core product and service. Price. Pricing should be up to date and transparent for all product and ancillary feature. The third one is promotion. Integrated with other marketing effort, tailored to the organization's key market segment. Point of sale is to provide the facility for traveler to book or reserve product and service online by using the website. The people who provide the service are the key to the success of the transaction into the website. Programming. Exclusive programming adds value to the core product and distinguishes it from competitors. Within a packaging, website provide many opportunities to package different elements of the travel experience together. For the last one is a partnership. The digital tourism distribution system involves many partners and stakeholders, therefore coordinate to ensure online efforts are consistent. That's all for our group. Thank you.